What is Anvikshiki according to Chanakya? Nowhere else in Indian literature before Chanakya do we find such importance given to Anvikshiki, that too with such a detailed analysis on the theme and idea. Anvikshiki is a philosophy which includes three other philosophies. The first one is Sankhya, which can also be called as numerical philosophy. Chanakya here advises us to consider each and every parameters in numbers. For example, if you take a business plan, take its time, its investment, its loss, profit, anything in an exact number. We should be aware about the numbers and think according to that. The second one is yoga. There is no need to explain what is yoga and its benefits. It is now a very popular method to exercise to keep oneself physically fit. However, yoga is not just about the physical level, but also the level of the mind, the intellectual and spiritual level. Well, some of you guys may be thinking, how exactly yoga helps us to think better? Well, the yoga mainly helps our mind to attain a spiritual level. The spiritual level means which it mainly helps in identifying the good and the evil. It helps us to identify the good path for our life. And the third one is Logaita. This is often referred to as materialistic philosophy. However, in our culture, even the materialistic thought is respected. When we think about a business, we should think about its gain, losses, time, and each and every parameter on materialistic basis, that is on goods or materials or wealth. Hence, Logaita can be simply be explained as thinking each and every parameters on the basis of some materials or goods or wealth. Hence, we can conclude Anvikshiki as a way of thinking which includes numbers, the right connection to divine and material success. A person who thinks simultaneously in numbers, divine connections, as well as material success is one who practices Anvikshiki. Therefore, Anvikshiki is a very practical way of thinking. And to practice Anvikshiki, one must to consider some important points. One needs to investigate with reason. It is important to think logically and systematically. And also, practicing Anvikshiki demands you to consider three main things: the good and the evil, the material gain or loss, the good policy and the bad policy. So, while thinking about something, we need to carefully measure its advantages and disadvantages. Is it spiritually good? Will it give any material gain? Is it the right policy decision? Thus, when we consider various dimensions, we will be able to take the right and correct decisions, weighing all the consequences.